Good evening, everyone. It is February 27th, 2017. We're doing a personal box break for Bowman in the YouTube stream. He gets a personal box of SP Game Use 2016-17 hockey. He chose this box at the bottom, right here. Before I started the video, put a little beef for Bowman. But here it is, 2016-17 SP Game Used edition. 4 autographs, memorabilia cards, or premium hits per box. So, let's open up this personal. I don't think it feels heavy. The pack looks relatively thin. And I've learned that the pack feels relatively thin. That's more like you're going to get yourself a short print. Alright, I'm going to use this personal boxes. I'm going to use this blank. Sorry about that. Personal boxes. Alright, first one. Authentic Rookies. 131 of 221. Chris Begraz. No, actually, you know what? It doesn't feel as thin as one that would have one of those. But you never know. Oh, B. Graw. Oh, thank you, Dallas. Next one. Robbie Fabry for the Blues. 155 of 220. Hey, how was that Friday game, Dallas? Did you end up taking that girl? Too late, I promise. I did not promise that. Alright, let's go with the hits. Dylan Strome, jersey rookie sweaters. 23 of 499. Hey, what number does he wear? Whoa, look at that, Bowman. I did not do this. See that? I can give you the box and the wrapper if you want to talk to Upper Deck about that. Oh, that's right. They played Boston, right? Authentic Rookies. Jaspy, 390 of 399. So how do you think Jamie Benn feels that his brother just got traded today? I bet that sucks, right? Next one. Authentic Rookies, jersey with some ink, Michael Matheson for the Florida Panthers. And the last card is a All-Star Skills Competition Relics. Drew Doughty, 4 of 15. Nice little patches in there for the Los Angeles Kings. Oh. Way to go, Doughty and Kopitar not playing good D. Why do you hate his face? You don't like his face? Thanks, Bowman, for getting that personal box at SP Game Used. If you'd like a personal box, please email me at jaspyshockeyland@gmail.com. That way I can send you a list on the prices. And that way we can do a personal box for you. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.